Guys, it's shocking. That is why I used to sing Namute Muria, Manakweria, Namute Muria, Manakweria, and somebody's crying, Golo. Somebody's crying, Golo. Guys, right now I'm in the farm. Do you remember this, my farm, that we planted the other day with my husband and my family? So we have planted this, and this is our cassava. So like we came to see the farm, this other side that is not our own, the grass has grown so much to the extent that it wants to cover this our fence. So that is why we have come to, cut it off. So like now I have already cut this side off. So I will go in there and then continue while my partner is also cutting the other side. I came with someone that is helping me to cut. Okay, so I'll be cutting this side while he's cutting the other side. I'm sure you can even hear the sound that he is working. So let me drop the camera and go and continue my work. So this is our farm. The cassava has grown enough almost to be harvested, but this other side that is not our own is growing too much into our own. So that is why we have come to, clear it off. Let me drop my bag here. I miss Alcido. See, all the way from the road to this side, and my partner has also taken his own round from the road also. So the two of us now jam here. Look at my machetes here. See my machetes. So I've done mine to this point, and he has also brought his own from the road to where you are seeing him now. So we have tried. At least we are conquerors. We have conquered it. Child, that may try you. We have really tried. Thank God. Nah. Guys, it's shocking. That is why I used to sing Namute Muria, Manakweria, Namute Muria, Manakweria, Namute Muria, Manakweria, Namute Muria, Manakweria. So we have to work so that we can eat. Woo. Okay, you were not fast before.
I didn't know the
perimeter.
Yes, so I said, let me just go in. So I reached the fence, I said, okay, that means the fence on.
Guys, we are done, so we are going out. I'll go and show you the other side that he has started from. Thank God. See the cassava.
Yeah.
This cassava is now free. It's free. Free from this forest. It's not forest anyway. But because they did not plant on the farm. Yeah. So that is why it is like forest. I tried. I tried. At least if somebody comes in now, yeah, it's easier to come inside. Yes. Yes. Ah, thank you, Jesus. Now you try. Now you see that we can walk in easily. We can now walk into our farm easily. Look at our farm here. We are now going home. Guys, we are going home. So, thank God we are done. Yeah. Come and say hi to my people.
Hi.
Yeah, this guy has really helped me. So we are now going home after the day's job. Yeah, see you. Guys, did you remember this green plantain that I bought in a bunch? Can you imagine? See, I stored this in the freezer. Look at how it is. See how black it is. But the inside is still good. So I'm going to use this one and make pepper soup right now. Let's lose the... Let me remove the skin and see how it is. Whether it is still fresh. It's very cold though. Very, very cold. In fact, it's block, not just cold, it's block. Hey. Ah. Yeah. I think I'm supposed to allow it to defrost before peeling it. You can even see the ice coming out. Look at the ice coming out. I'm done peeling the plantain. This is how it is. I just cut 5 out of other ones that are in the fridge. So let me cut it to the size that I want. Remember, I said I'm going to use it for pepper soup. Just want to make sharp pepper soup. I see the hot, very hot one. See the inside is still iced. There is plenty of ice inside it. Wow, the pepper soup is ready. Oh, this is good. Guys, I've added utazi and also this uyaya spice. This is a local spice. So it's going to bring out the aroma of this food. See, it's even thick. But it's pepper soup, so I'm going to save. Now it's ready. I'm going to save. Let me taste. This is good. Guys, look at the chicken. See, these white ones are broilers, while the other ones are layers. The layers are 3 and the broilers are 7. I just bought this 7 today, so I'm going to raise just this 10 because I don't want it to be more than this. It's just for my own use, okay? So I just have to allow this 10 to be because the feed is just too expensive. Let me just keep this 10 for myself and see how it will grow. See there. I know they are going to be very big because I know how to feed them. They are now eating. See their water here and the food.
How much is the resale?
Give me the one that is full.
Some of them are the same.
If we fool one another, it took us. In your bag. Guys, grandma is back to the house. You know, as we came back from the school, I said, let me just stop by in a shop where I can get this chicken feet, because as soon as I get to the house, I'll be so tired. So we had to stop by with Ellen and buy this chicken feet. Feed is very, very expensive. Oh. Eh? So those people that have farm, up to 5 cartons, 10 cartons of chicken, how do they do it? Jesus, it's damn very, very expensive, I tell you. At least I've been able to buy one bag, and this one bag will take me at least for some time. Since I'm not going to make it that big, you know, I'm just using this for my own personal use. Eh? So this bag of chicken feet that was 6,000, 4,500, 3, 5, 4, up to 7, up till as at when we stopped buying it, it was 13,000. Guys, do you know how much I bought this particular one? This is 24,300 naira. 24,000 naira and 300 naira on top. You can imagine. So those people that have plenty chicken in the farm, anyway, they will sell it because they are doing it as a business. Okay, so thank God I've just bought this one back, and this is finisher. I just bought this medicine along with the feed, so I'm going to add it to the feed and give them. This is the feed. I'm just leaving it. Honey, come and hold it.
I want to bite my arm.